thanks for coming back and checking out another video. We've got a Bill Bacardi in the vice, a one and only Bill Bacardi, and it's a 227. And I think I've only ever had one Bill Bacardi challenge lock in the past. I can't remember what that one was, maybe 221? I don't know. But there's the key, look at that, really tricky. Not quite sure how we're going to get through this, but we'll give it a good go. I can see serrations on key pin 1 already, and I'm going to go for this. I think my John Eggington's coming out, so let's have a look and see what we got. So I'm just going to run me pick over the pins, look for a binder. I think that's pin 2. Yeah. I've gone to the back now. Lovely bit of counter rotation there on 4. 3. Back on 1. Big movement on the core there. I think this calls for the Daz Evers now and that big hook. There we go. That was a tricky little bugger, but we got there in the end. 3 minutes. Pretty good, I reckon, if I don't say so myself. And we are able to lock it back up because we've got the key, and that is unlocked. I'm not going to turn it all the way around so the key pins might fall into the thing, but yeah, there we go. I better get me gutting kit again. I'll tell you what, I don't know if there's any lock that's that ain't going to be defeated with a mixture of a Daz Evers, a John Eggington, a Boy Bilbo and a Wes Picks. I swear to God. Oh dear, I've got hiccups now. Righty. Love it. No circlip. Regular viewers will know how much I hate a circlip. Jesus Christ. And sometimes, no word of a lie, it'll take me longer to take the circlip off the back than it does to pick the lock sometimes, honestly. I'm so cack-handed. And righty, let's see what we got. A pretty battered up follower there, but that'll do the trick hopefully. We've got our lovely titanium follower. So again, there was the key. Look at the bitting on that bastard. And we all know Bill makes a dangerous challenge lock. And you can see it is engraved on the side. Number 227. Bacardi. What does it say, Bill? Where have we got Bill there? Don't say Bill on it, just says Bacardi. Yeah.
She loves cats. Sadly, I do not have a cat, so tonight I'll borrow my neighbor's. Dreamy's tantrums. All it takes is a
Alright, well absolutely everything needed to be pinned, and I can see there's been some work done in that core there. Let's see, so let's get these out.
English traveller Johnny and his family have moved on to a residential suite, and it will marry Laurie. It's created quite a stir amongst their neighbours. Got to get used to it, aren't I? She's going to be here for a while, so but Andrea's not convinced. She's such an unusual
Standard in 1. I think there's an undercut in 2 and 3 and 4, threading in 5, and undercut in 6. We've got some lovely pins there, and I'll zoom in and do the best I can. I know this camera's like a fucking potato for getting close-up shots. Oh, let's take the shim out. So I've got standard in 1. I don't like pulling the spring out. No, those springs, I'm not going to force them. There are various springs in there, but I'm not just going to tip them all out. They won't come out. Don't matter how hard I bang the fucker. Nah, let's leave the springs, because I know when you start hooking it with my little piece of hook on the tweezer, it might bend it, and I've done it before with some of my own springs, and I've pulled it out and extended it, fucked it up. But yeah, that was a great lock. And we look at some of these pins; they're beautiful pins. I just wish I could get a better view. We've got a lovely like torpedo spool shape in one on the key pin. Couple of serrations there on pin 2. 3 and 4 are standard, and we've got some deep serrations there on this 5th, and standard in 5. And then up above we've got a standard in 1, serrated in 2. A big spool pin. It looks more like a goblet. If you think of the shape of a goblet, or a bit like a wine glass. Yeah, really thin bottom. Yeah, heavily like a double spool in 4. Little like mushroomy pin in 5, and again another spool pin there in 6. And that was a great lock, Bill. Really appreciate that for sending me that, William. And yeah, onwards and upwards to the next one, and we'll see how we get on. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.